Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi kimbap. Start by preparing short grain rice and cooling it slightly before seasoning. Chop kimchi and squeeze excess liquid to avoid soggy rolls. Slice fillings into even strips for consistent rolling. Toast sesame seeds and mix with sesame oil for flavor. Lay gim sheets on a bamboo mat and spread rice thinly. Roll firmly but gently to keep textures intact and prevent tearing. Prepare ingredients ahead to streamline rolling and keep flavors vibrant. Cook rice and let it cool until slightly warm to the touch. Avoid hot rice that wilts seaweed. Drain and chop kimchi into bite-sized strips, squeezing out extra liquid. Julienne cucumbers and carrots to match rice thickness, and slice pickled radish into thin, even pieces. Toast sesame seeds to enhance aroma and mix a little sesame oil into rice for richer flavor and sheen. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, fresh scent that pairs nicely with picnic kimbap adventures. It's a small comfort that makes traveling with food more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Layering and rolling determine the final texture and presentation of your kimchi kimbap. Start with a thin, even layer of rice to avoid bulky rolls that tear. Arrange kimchi and fillings centrally in a neat line, keeping heavier ingredients near the center. Use the bamboo mat to roll with gentle, steady pressure, tucking as you go to form a firm cylinder. Seal the edge with a dab of water and let rolls rest briefly before slicing cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.